Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I am here for explaining the professional approach of multinational company. As a teacher, my duty is giving impression. Later, you, my student, will extract the ideas from book, right? The third phase of action, I'll give you question from international question paper, Cambridge or Idcse. Later, at the time of evaluating, I won't evaluate from myself. I will check up the paper from the British answer paper. So these are the 4 steps. You know that multinational company, professional company, first, if any vacancy created, they imagine that how many numbers of people, what are their activities, what are their responsibility. So analyzing the job situation, they decide to declare, why the multinational company would emphasize on definite, particular, accurate job description, because when the circulation would be held on emphasized name, security, machine man, architecture, doctor, then no misunderstanding held. The right person could be appointed. So declaring, focusing in a right way, very essential, very important. Because in informal company, you many times watch some sorts of people, some people are wandering. They are not motivated because they don't know their duty, they are not passionate. At the time of being appointed, they are not from the right department, right discipline. So the action should be started from the time of appointment. So the right declaration, job description. In the third phase, what is job description? The job objective, responsibility, type of job. So these are the declaration motivated the workers. The security, doctor, engineer, analyst, researcher, teacher, getting the name, only the right people get appointed. So job description is something where the manifesto of the work, type of work are declared very clearly. So job description is the job responsibility. At the job description, the third matter, that is job specification. What are the criteria, which type of requirement, what is the job experience, every particulars of the candidates, what are the salary, job time, job types, everything declared in job specification. After submitting all papers, the company, professional company, from the given paper, some types of people, some superior candidate would be shortlisted. Only the best candidates would be separated. Now the question of interview and selection. As much the responsibility, superior people, that much the hard procedure. The person would be gone through the hard procedure if the responsibility is very high. Last of all, the vacancy fulfilled. My main target, the big company, famous company, don't like to make any things hidden. They try to make the things very clear in front of public. Okay? And these are the attitudes of the big company. In declaration, in approach, in procedure, they maintain very crystal clear, smart procedure. Okay, so these are the criteria of recruitment and selection. So am I clear, my student? As a teacher, my duty is giving right impression. Second, from the book, your duty is getting extraction. Later, that we have particular 2 hours for question paper solving. But after your solving, you might write anything. As I am Asian, local teacher, I am not evaluating your copy from my brain. I am evaluating your copy from the British answer paper. Thank you very much.